So welcome back. I gave a try exercise in the last video. So we're going to solve it together today. We said how many moles of oxygen gas are present in 16 grams of the substance. This is the first mole relationship. Like I said, mole is the amount of substance. So mole is same as amount. So let's look at this question quickly. How many moles of oxygen gas are present in 16 grams of the substance? So the mass of oxygen here, mass M, is 16 grams. And you have to find the number of moles is unknown. Now, recall that we said for a substance of known mass, mole equals mass over molar mass. So we have to determine the molar mass. Can I write molar mass? So what will be the molar mass of oxygen? Of course, we know that the relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Oxygen is 16 grams per mole. Recall that oxygen is a diatomic molecule. So examples of diatomic molecule like hydrogen, it's a diatomic molecule. Nitrogen, diatomic molecule. That is, we always need two atoms of the element to combine to form just one mole of it. So in this case now I have oxygen. So if oxygen is diatomic, the molecular mass of this oxygen is 16 times 2. In the next video, we'll be treating how to calculate relative molecular masses of compounds. So here, the molecular mass or the molar mass of oxygen is 32 grams per mole. So please don't go and use 16 as the molar mass in this case. It's 32 grams per mole. So our mole in this case is mass over molar mass is given as, what is the mass? 16 grams, and our molar mass is 32 grams per mole. So by the time this one, and you have an inverse, that's the reciprocal. So our number of mole, 16 divided by 32, you have 0.5 mole. So you'll be having, let me do that here, 16 grams divided by 32 grams per mole. That will be 16 over 32 gram divided by gram per mole. 16 over 32 multiplied by gram times mole over gram. Then gram can take care of gram, right? 16 here 1, 16 here 5. That's 2, right? So 16, 32, 2. 1 over 2 in decimal is 0.5 mole. So we have 0.5 mole of oxygen present in 16 grams of the substance. So you can try another one as a try exercise. How many moles of oxygen will be present in 64 grams? You can try this in 64 grams of the substance. So let me know your response in the comment section. Thank you.